Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to do ninth class mathematics factorization, polynomials and factorization. Before going to do that, let us have a small discussion about today's topic. The topic is attitude determines direction. What is this attitude, children? Attitude means how are we behaving when certain situations arise in front of us or when we are dealing with the others. When somebody comes to our house, when we are traveling, or when we are talking with our elders, even sometimes when we are talking with our youngers, how are we behaving? That will show us our attitude. Usually, it's a such kind of it is such a kind of magical word which will be noticed by others more than ourselves. Means how are we behaving? According to our mindset, we behave, but the people around us will identify us what type of people are we. Accordingly, whether they are going to be with you or they wanted to eliminate you from their group, they decide. So we know that we all are social beings. We cannot live without anybody around us. So, children, if you want to gather a good group, you need to be like that. You need to be the best. You need to have always a positive attitude. You should exhibit yourself in such a way that people will start attracting towards you and they don't want to leave you under any circumstances. This is what any person need to do it, children, in their life. We need to gather good people. So if we keep on developing a type of a negative attitude, that is not going to give us anything to prosper in our life, children. So always have that positive attitude. Even you can understand, children, when I'm talking about you and comparing you with the other people, definitely you also can compare others along with your mentality. So you can identify who is exhibiting which type of attitude, and your soul will definitely says yes, it is the right path, yes it is wrong, yes all these days I've been doing this mistake, let me not do it. So this kind of thoughts, if they are developing in your mind, you will learn from your mistakes and you will become the best children. And I hope all of you will do that. Let us come back to our studies. This is about exercise 2.4 in polynomials and factorization. In the previous video, I have done up to 7 problems. Now, 8th problem. The 8th problem is dealing with if ax square plus bx plus c and bx square plus ax plus c, they have common factor, have common factor x plus 1. Then you have to show that c is equal to 0 and a is equal to c is equal to 0 and a is equal to b. This is the sum, children. Here you have got two polynomials. So let us suppose that let p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c and g of x is equal to bx square plus ax plus c. Okay, children. Now, what did they say? Both of them have common factor. What is the common factor? Common factor is x plus 1. What do you understand that, children? This means x plus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 1. So, if you have a common factor as x plus 1, x value should be taken as minus 1. Therefore, what you can say? P of minus 1 is equal to 0 and g of minus 1 is also equal to 0. So, let us first take P of x. P of x is ax square plus bx plus c. So what is P of minus 1? A into minus 1 whole square plus B into minus 1 plus C. So how much you are getting? A into minus 1 whole square 1 minus B plus C. That means A minus B plus C. So what you will be saying? P of minus 1 is equal to 0. That means what? P of minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, A minus B plus C is equal to 0. Let us consider it as the first equation that we are getting, children. Now, let us continue with the next part. That is, let us go to g of x. What is g of x? Bx square plus ax plus c. Now g of minus 1, because we have talked about no, g of minus 1 is equal to 0. So what is g of minus 1? B into minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus c. This is equal to b into 1 minus a plus c. That means b minus a plus c. So g of minus 1 is equal to b minus a plus c. Therefore, what you can say? B minus A plus C is equal to 0. Consider it as second equation. Okay, children, when you are considering these two as two equations, let us add these two equations, because here A is having plus sign, here minus sign, here B is having minus sign, here plus sign. So let us add first equation with second equation. A minus B plus C is equal to 0, and then minus A plus B plus C is equal to 0. I have written like terms together, children. When I am taking A here, I should take along with its sign. So I have taken like this. So plus A minus A plus B minus B will get cancelled. 2C is equal to 0. So what is C, children? C is equal to 0. 2C is equal to 0 implies C is equal to 0. So therefore C is equal to 0. That means the first part we have completed. Now we can say that A minus B plus C is equal to 0, and A minus B, C is 0 is equal to 0. That means what, children? A minus B is equal to 0. If A minus B is equal to 0, then A is equal to B. Therefore, we have proved that C is equal to 0 and A is equal to B. This is how we have proved, hence proved. So I hope I'm clear, children. Please copy this. Eighth sum. Now we'll see the next sum, ninth sum. Now in ninth sum, here also you have got two equations. If x square, if x square minus x minus 6 and x square plus 3x minus 18 have common factor. What is the common factor? They have common factor x minus a. Then you need to show you need to find e. The question is you have to find what is A. You have to find out A value. Now, here also, let us consider P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 18. And x minus a is a common factor. What do you mean by this, children? X minus a is equal to 0 implies x is equal to a. What are you understanding with this? Therefore, P of A is equal to 0 and G of A is also equal to 0. So, first let me talk about P of x, x square minus x minus 6. P of A, in the place of x, I need to write a square minus a minus 6. Now we know that P of A is equal to 0. Therefore, a square minus a minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, let us go to the next part, that is g of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 18. G of a is equal to a square plus 3a minus 18. We know that g of a is equal to 0. Therefore, a square plus 3a minus 18 is equal to 0. See children, these two are equal to zeros. So, let us equalize it. When RHS are same, we can equalize LHS. So, a square plus 3a minus 18 is equal to a square minus a minus 6. A square will get cancelled and 3a plus a is equal to minus 6 plus 18. Minus a when it comes here plus a, minus 18 when it goes there plus 18. 3a plus a is 4a. 4a is equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. What is a? 12 by 4. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja. So a is equal to 3 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, we will see the next problem, 10th one. Tenth one is, if y minus 3 is a factor of y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18, then find other two factors. Other two factors. This is the question, children. Now this is y cube minus 2y square minus 9y plus 18 is a cubic polynomial. We know that any polynomial will be having factors as that of its degrees. Now, since it is a cubic polynomial, it has three factors. One factor they have already given. The remaining two factors you need to find out. So, to find out that, what you do is, first you divide it with the first one. That is y minus 3. So, we know that, children, y cube by y, that is, we are getting y square. So, write y square here and y square should be multiplied by y minus 3. You are getting y cube minus 3y square. So, y cube minus 3y square. So what you need to do? You have to change the signs. You are getting x square minus 9y plus 18. Sorry, here y square, y square minus 9y plus 18. So when you are dividing y square by y, you are getting y. So plus y. So when you are taking it as plus y, multiply it with y minus 3. What are you getting? Y square minus 3y. So y square minus 3y. So when you are subtracting, this becomes minus 6y plus 18. So take minus 6y and divide it by y. Y and y will get cancelled. You are getting minus 6. So write minus 6 here. Minus 6 into y minus 3. That is minus 6y plus 18. So minus 6y plus 18. So what is happening, children? These two will get cancelled. You are getting 0. So you have got solution. Now I hope you have understood this, children. Afterwards, when you uh, turn your video back, you will be getting this rough work. I am rubbing this now. Now, what I need to do is, I should take the solution that I have got, the quotient of this, that is y square plus y minus 6, and I need to split the middle term to find the factors. That is, first you have to multiply these two. I am getting minus 6y square. I should get two factors in such a way that if I add, I should get the middle one. If I multiply, I should get minus 6y square. That means 1 plus and 1 minus will give you minus. So definitely we have come to know that the two factors are, one is plus and one is minus. So which one should be plus? See this, and you see the here it should be in plus. That means the bigger value should be in plus and the smaller one should be minus. And I want 1 means I can write 3y minus 2y. 3y minus 2y is plus y, minus into plus minus, 3 into 2, 6y square. So y square plus 3y minus 2y minus 6. That means y into y plus 3 minus 2 into y plus 3. That means y minus 2 into y plus 3. Therefore, the other two factors are y minus 2 and y plus 3. These are the answers for this problem, children. This is the 10th one. Please copy. Now with this, 2.4 exercise is completed, children. Now we are going to do about the other topic that is there in your textbook. The other topic is algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. This is what we are going to talk about the next part. See, children, already you have done some identities. One after the other, I'll be doing it. You will understand that, yes, I have done it already. So, the first one is a plus b whole square. You know that a square plus 2ab plus b square. I need not prove this, children. And second one, a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. And third one, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. And fourth one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Very rarely we use this formula, but you need to know this also. And you have another one, that is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. This is one more identity, children. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c, that is these values, into x square plus ab bc ca. These are you have to add into x and a plus b plus c. These are the identities which you have got, children. Basing on this, we are going to do certain problems. Please copy these identities. Now, we will go to the next part, that is you have got do this sums, children. Do this sum is find the following using appropriate identities. Using appropriate identities. That means you are not supposed to do it in any other way. You have to use identities only. The first one is x plus 5 into x plus 5. See, children, this can be written in the form of x plus 5 whole square. So we will be writing that this is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you write down x plus 5 whole square is equal to, in the place of a, x, plus 2 into, in the place of a, x, and in the place of b, 5 plus 5 square. Means what, children? X square plus 2 5s are 10x plus 5 5s are 25. This is the answer which you have done by using the identity, because he has specifically mentioned that you need to do identity, you need to use identity. So all the sums we have to use identity and do it. And the next one is p minus 3 into p plus 3. We know that p minus 3, this is in the form of, first we have to use the identity. This is a p minus 3 into p plus 3 means this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So p minus 3 into p plus 3 is equal to, in the place of a, p square, minus in the place of b, 3 square. That means p square minus 9. This is the answer for the second bit. Now we will see the third bit. What is the third bit? Third bit is y minus 1 into y minus 1. This is nothing but y minus 1 whole square. So what you will write? This is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So y minus 1 whole square is equal to, in the place of a you will be taking y minus 2 into y into 1 plus 1 whole square. That means y square minus 2y plus 1 This is the answer, children. So copy it. Now, next sums we'll do. Fourth bit, t plus 2 into t plus 4. So the formula, this is in the form of we have done x plus a. So that formula we are writing here, x plus a into x plus b. This is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So t plus 2 into t plus 4 is equal to, in the place of x, t plus t into a is 2 plus b is 4 plus 2 into 4 a into b, t square plus 2 plus 4 is 6, 6t plus 8, 4 2s are 8. This is the answer for this fourth bit. Now, fifth bit, 102 into 98. Children, 102 into 98 can be written as 100 plus 2 into 100 minus 2. A plus b into a minus b. So, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So 100 plus 2 into 100 minus 2 is equal to a square, 100 square minus b is 2, 2 square. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4. So from 10,000, if you subtract 4, here you will be getting 6, 9, 9, 9. 9,996 is your answer. This is fifth bit, children. Please copy it. Now we will be doing the sixth bit. The sixth bit is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So, this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c, which is nothing but x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. This is the formula which I have taught in the last one, children. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. In the place of a1, in the place of b2, in the place of c3. So x cube plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 into x square plus, see children, this is 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1 x plus 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So this is nothing but x cube plus 5 plus 1 6x square plus this becomes 2 ones are 2 plus 2 threes are 6 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 6. That means x cube plus 6x square plus this is 9 11 here 11x plus 6. This is the answer for this bit, children. Copy it. With this, I'll conclude today's part. I'll be doing the next one in the next part.